it around us that music had the potential for creating an emotional environment. And what we felt was needed was more peace on the planet. People working for peace within themselves and working on themselves to be peaceful amongst each other, and seeing that that's where ultimately the global peace would come from. And indeed, peace in a person's own life would come from meditation, letting go of things, thoughts, just getting down to a simple level of Zen simplicity. And I find peace in nature, as complex and intricate as nature is. Being in nature, as Joan Borysenko says, nature meditates you. You don't have to meditate in nature or force yourself to meditate. It just happens naturally. And that's because nature has that balance that it's been working on for many, many years now. Decades, centuries. We are one with nature, no matter whether we like it or not. We're all made of the same stuff. Life is the similarity between the different forms of life, but it's life. It's meaningful. It's active. It's engaged. And it's exciting. The elders of the Native American family spoke about how it was important to get in touch with nature. And I could see that as we were making decisions about the environment and the high-rises in the cities, that people who were making those decisions sometimes weren't in touch with what was going on with the environment. And I wanted to help them. And that seemed to happen when we mixed the music and the natural sounds together and created an environment that emulated what being alone in nature is like.